I've been working on research related to burnout for a few years, and especially in young people, finding that symptoms of burnout have been increasing in young Americans. So I wasn't super surprised to hear that one of the reasons why might be because they're facing unrealistic amounts of pressure and stress, the kinds of pressures that you might expect to face in a career. Is what kids are saying they're facing today just in their daily lives as students and maybe part-time workers. And so what we find overall is that over half of American teens are saying that they feel pressure to have a game plan, to have their future path figured out. Over half are saying they feel pressure, negative pressure, to achieve and to always be exceptional. And over half are saying they feel negative pressure to look good or to have a certain appearance. We heard from them that they're facing a number of different pressures that they called the grinds. It felt like life was a grind for them, even though they're young. They're between 13 and 17, and they're in school. And we would hope our teens are not facing that. So we first listened, and then we designed a survey based on what we heard, and we were really coming at it from a point of what they're actually facing, whereas other surveys have come in and made assumptions about sort of the mental health crisis being caused by social media. We didn't have that assumption. We just wanted to know what teens thought, so we asked them. The role of social media was complicated. So teens were telling us, like, on the one hand, sometimes it can make the pressure worse in various ways, but also on the other hand, sometimes it helps them. And so that's a really important point, because as parents or youth workers or people who care, educators, people who care about young people, we can't assume that all screen time is bad, and we have to just listen to our young people and find out, help them, maybe guide them toward social media or screen use that makes them feel good and calm. For example, we found that teens who were involved in social gaming actually said it was kind of a pressure release for them. And teens told us a few things. One thing they said is, please just listen to us, like just empathize. Like, we're really going through a hard time and we just need people to be there to care and to be available. They said we can help them find ways to reduce the pressures on them. Maybe have conversations about their workload and planning, and most importantly, they said they really want to have fun. They want to have fun with us, and sometimes when we're in the role of parent or teacher or some sort of person who is trying to mentor and guide young people, sometimes I think we forget that. We forget to find the joy and show them and model like how to live life in a healthy and happy way.